How to set up Jockie music on Discord. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Jockie music on Discord. To set up the Jockie music bot on Discord, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device and here in the search bar type discord.com, then press enter to browse it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Discord. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Click on this Open Discord at the top right and then you will be taken to your account page. Once you reach to this page, here first select your server from the left panel. Once you click on the server, now right click on your server at the top and the drop down menu will appear. From here you need to select server settings. Once you move your cursor to server settings, here you will access some more drop down menu. From this second drop-down menu, here you need to select App Directory. Once you find this option, click on it to open it. Now you will be taken to this page. Here you will find the search bar. Click on the search bar and here enter Jockie music. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. You will be presented with the search results here. Once you are presented with the search results, click on it to open it. And here under this page, you will find Add App button. Click on this Add App button and now you will need to authorize it. Click on this Continue button and then click on this Authorize. Once doing that, you will need to verify yourself as a human. Tap on this box that says I am human and after successful verification, this will be added to your server. Now you can come back to your server by clicking on this Go to Server button. Once doing that, you will be returned to this page. Here you can see the basic commands. If you need to add some more commands, then you need to enter it in this box. First of all, type M! and write down your command. For example, if you want to play a song, then you need to type in M! play and the name of the song. Then press on enter. If the song is in voice channel, it will start playing. But if it is not in your voice channel, it won't be played. You can try other options here. So by following these steps, you should be able to set up Jockie music on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.